set up Alidropship extension for Google Chrome, and for this procedure you have to go here, import, and here you will get a lot of product, research product. You can import just one click. Just you have to select the product and click on import button. It will automatically set to your website. You can search by keyword, and here is other settings. You can search with these settings. Suppose categories, from here you can select categories. Shipping from, you can select shipping from China, United States, Europe. Shipping method, any shipping method, you can select any shipping method from here. For search your best product. Free shipping, you can select free shipping. Minimum price, maximum price, minimum orders, maximum orders, and you have to apply this button, and in this way you can search your best product to show your website with just one click. You can select import to. From here you can select categories. For which category you want to show the product, you have to select from here, and you can import product Aliexpress directly. You have to install a add-on Alidropship, and you have to enable this one, created by alidropship.com. You have to install this, and you have to log in with this add-on, and with this add-on you can import product directly from Aliexpress. Now we will see how we can choose product, edit products directly from Aliexpress, and we can import product to our website directly from Aliexpress. We have already connected Alidropship add-on, and we have already set our website with this add-on, and now we have to click on this option, direct import from Aliexpress, and you will get this interface. To start importing products into your store, please go to Aliexpress category or product page. You have to go to Aliexpress category or product page. Suppose I am going to a female fashion category, suppose dresses. Now you have to choose a product, which product you want to show on your website. Suppose this one. Just I am showing you. Here our website is selected, and category, from here you have to select categories. Suppose I am selecting here Valentine's Day creative gift. You can select any one category for your website, or you can search by keyword here. Suppose tops. I am searching for women tops, and you can search by minimum price, maximum price. You can select here country, shipping options. Suppose here is selected e-packet, you can choose any one. Also here is free shipping, Aliexpress direct, China post registered via mail, and you can choose another options for search. And with this button, import 0 to 15 items, here is showing 0 to 35 items. You can import all items, just one click. Suppose I am selecting another product, suppose this one. From this button you can import bulk products, but I want to show you how we can import a single product. Suppose we want to import this product to our store. We can click here, import. It will automatically import it to our website, and we have to edit it later on. But I want to edit here, and that's why I have to click here, edit, and you will get these options. First option is general option, and first you have to edit title. Suppose I am editing title, and title should be about your product. Categories, you have to select categories from here, and remove text description. You can remove the text, remove images. You can add this later on. Remove packaging details, and here is the images. And sometimes you will get here text with images. You have to remove the text just like this way. You have to click on edit button, and suppose here is some text. You have to choose the color, and you have to choose the brush icon, and you have to remove the text just dragging over the text. Here is no text. I am just showing you the procedure, and pricing formula already set here. You can change it, apply to all variations. You can change it. If you want to apply to all variations, you can select here, select this option, and color you can change it. Item name you can change it. Item specifications you can keep it or you can remove it from here, just like this way. Description, gallery, pricing you can change it from here. Attributes, and from here you have to click on add to import list. And when you will click on add to import list. It will import it to your products, and here is the product. Now you can edit the product, you can publish the product to your website. If you publish the product, it will show on your website. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with your social media accounts, share with your friends. Thank you.